Hello, today we're going to go ahead and configure our Google OAuth client. Now we do have a guide that you can find on our website, so you can simply go to our website and search for the Google Calendar Pro configuring a Google OAuth client document. From here, you can go ahead and begin with step one, which is to navigate to the Google Developers Console. I already have it open here. Now, from here, we want to go and check out our API library. This is the main page that you should see. From here, you can click on the plus sign that says Enable APIs and Services. You can go ahead and search for Calendar. It should populate. So we want to click on the Google Calendar API. From here, we want to go ahead and enable. Fantastic. So once the API is enabled, you should see a web page like this, and then you can proceed to the next step. After you have enabled the API that you want to use, you can simply go back and find the Calendar API. You just want to check that it's enabled here. You're going to see API enabled, and from here, you can click on Manage. Once you're at Manage, we want to look at the left-hand pane, click on Credentials. From here, we want to configure consent screen. Now we want to ensure that we select our user type as external, click Create. Now, from here, you should be able to add some information in. So we're going to give our app name as test. You can provide email. I'm going to use my email here. And add a logo if you so please, and you can add more information. Also add the developer email. Now in this case, I'm going to simply use my original email here, and that should suffice. Once you're done entering in your information, save and continue. Now, all you need to do is simply click continue until you reach the summary, and then click go back to dashboard. From here, it's going to show you the consent screen that you just created, but we want to go up to credentials and go ahead and create our credentials from here. So once we're here, we want to go ahead and click on credentials and then create credentials. We want to ensure that we select the OAuth client ID. Now we need to ensure that we select desktop app as the application type, as if you select anything else, it will not work properly. So you need to ensure that you select the desktop app as the application type. We can go ahead and give it a name. Go ahead and call it Calendar Test App, and hit create. Nice. So from here, you have your client ID and your client secret key. So you can go ahead and copy these to an external file. And from there, you can use these in the SimpleCalender application to gain access to your calendar information. At this point, your OAuth client ID has been created. Now, since you have access to the information that you need, you can log into your WordPress site, then go to Calendars and Settings, and under the Event Sources tab, you can paste in your OAuth client ID and your OAuth client secret. And from there, you can click Authenticate with Google, and this will provide you with your authentication code, and you can go ahead and paste it here. After you've finished, you can go ahead and click Save Changes, and that is all you need to do to set up your OAuth client ID and connect it to SimpleCalender. Thank you for watching.